My name is Krumstuju. I was a pro football assistant referee for 16 years and FIFA assistant referee for 13 years. I have refereed more than 320 pro matches. In the past few years, I have been teaching and mentoring tens of referees, especially young ones. Many of them have succeeded reaching into the pro football refereeing. My goal now is to use the internet to reach out to you, thousands of aspiring referees. I want to help you with advice and mentorship. This is so important for the younger referees. I'm creating videos, aggregating all my knowledge and experience I have gathered since 1999 across the stadiums in Europe. And I will share it with you so that you can become a better referee. So stay tuned and subscribe to this channel. Watch the videos that I upload and let me know in the comments below what topics are you most interested in. Thank you and until the next time. Bye.